Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to post anonymously on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone. After that, you can either search for a random group you joined or go into the group from your feed. Then tap to write a post and see if you find the post anonymously option over here. If you do, to turn it on. Anonymous posts published in the group do not include your name or profile photo. And if you don't find this option, get back to the homepage. After that, tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner. Then from here, tap on group option. Now hit the add icon from the top right corner and create a group of your account. After that, enter the name of your group and choose the privacy for it. Then the create group button, and after that, you can invite your friends into your group if you want, tapping on next until you find the save button. Once the group is created, tap to write something. You will find the post anonymous option here. Turn on the post anonymous option and type anything. When you are done, hit the submit button. Now, the post will be uploaded anonymously. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.